Are your pets included in your earthquake preparedness plan? This question is more crucial than you may think. As we navigate through life with our adorable companions, it's vital to remember they are just as vulnerable during emergencies, if not more. Today, we're going to discuss how to secure their environment, compile an emergency kit, ensure proper identification, and create an evacuation plan specifically for them. So, let's dive in and learn how to make sure our furry friends are safe when disaster strikes. Is your home a safe haven for your pets during an earthquake? To ensure their safety, you should secure heavy furniture to prevent toppling, create safe zones free from glass or sharp objects, and eliminate potential hazards. For instance, if you have a cat, ensure that high perching areas are stable and secure. If your pet is a dog, make sure they can't get trapped in small spaces during tremors. By taking these precautionary steps, you're well on your way to creating a safe environment. A safe environment is the first step towards pet safety during earthquakes. Are you ready for an emergency evacuation with your pet? Just like us, our furry friends need their own survival kit. This should include essentials like extra food and water, any necessary medications, and of course their identification and vaccination records. But don't forget about comfort items. A favorite toy or blanket can provide much-needed reassurance in a stressful situation. Remember, each pet is unique, so tailor the kit to meet your pet's specific needs. An emergency kit can be a lifesaver for your pet during an earthquake. Can your pets find their way back to you in case they get lost during an earthquake? That's where proper identification comes into play. Collars with ID tags are essential, containing information that can lead your furry friend back to you. But for an added layer of safety, consider microchipping. This tiny device implanted under your pet's skin carries a unique ID number accessible to vets and shelters. It's a beacon that can reunite you with your pet, even amidst the chaos of an earthquake. Ensure your pets always wear their ID tags and consider getting them microchipped. Do you have a pet-friendly evacuation plan? It's crucial to consider where your furry friend will go if you need to evacuate. Possible options could be pet-friendly shelters, hotels, or even friends and family members who can accommodate pets. The key is to make sure your pet is never left behind. Also, remember to have a portable carrier or crate for each pet. These crates should be sturdy, secure, and comfortable for your pet. Having a pet-friendly evacuation plan can make all the difference. How do you calm your pet during an earthquake? Earthquakes can trigger anxiety in pets, leading to unusual behaviors. It's crucial to remain calm yourself, as pets can sense your emotions. Comfort your pet with familiar scents or their favorite toy from the emergency kit. Softly spoken words, gentle petting, or even wrapping them in a blanket can also soothe them. Remember, each pet is unique, so what works for one might not work for another. Understanding your pet's behavior during an earthquake can help keep them calm. Let's recap on keeping our pets safe during earthquakes. It begins with securing our pet's environment and preparing a comprehensive emergency kit tailored to their needs. Ensuring they have proper identification, including microchipping, is crucial. Having a pet-friendly evacuation plan in place is a must, and understanding their behavior during such stressful situations can make a world of difference. And let's not forget about the basics of first aid for our furry friends. Remember, when preparing for an earthquake, pets are family too. Thank you for watching, and please share this video with other pet owners. Before we end this video, we want to emphasize the importance of spreading this information. If you found this video helpful, please don't keep it to yourself. Like, subscribe, and share it with other pet owners. The more people are prepared, the safer our pets will be during an earthquake. We also encourage you to comment below with any other tips or experiences you think could help others. Remember, we're all in this together. Stay safe, everyone, and thank you for your time today.